Guangzhou IZUMI Original Company Limited mainly sells Japanese IZUMI original engine parts. IZUMI Original is a well-known brand in Japan, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. The Japanese headquarters has long been providing accessories for Japanese original engine manufacturers. IZUMI Original is a professional OEM brand. In addition, we also provide product customization services, relying on a professional Japanese technical team to provide research and development and customize products for any modified equipment and special equipment. IZUMI Original products are high-quality products of Japanese quality, and each product has an independent anti-counterfeiting code query function to ensure that you have no worries when using the product. While ensuring the quality, we provide professional technical service support to solve any problems you encounter in the process of installation and sales. In addition, on the premise of correct installation and use, we provide 2-year warranty and thoughtful after-sales service for IZUMI Original products. Guangzhou IZUMI Original Company Limited, located in Guangzhou, China, is a branch of IZUMI Japan Company Limited, located in Tokyo, Japan. The Chinese branch mainly handles international sales business for the Japan headquarters. We have branches in 13 provinces and cities in China. We have agents in 58 countries around the world and partners all over the world. All employees of IZUMI Original wish you a happy day.